Is this guy that has been posting me up and down. Is a ritualist. We met in Olalua when.
Hello my people, I greet the full house from Untouchable Mama. Also not dey fine. Una do well, so una take dey help me take dey share, comment, like. God go bless una, appreciate una well well. My people, maybe some of una don see this video. When this boy cry come and say the girl wey he meet for Facebook, no? He propose to the girl. So the girl don run carry him money, carry him car, carry everything comot for him house. Hey, my people, wonder shall never end. The girl don come out come talk wetin happen. I go put the video, una go lis ten to the video, my people. Abeg make una help me share if una don lis ten finish. Make una no forget, abeg, make una drop una comment. The girl come out, and when this boy come out, he say this girl, he say she propose to the girl, so the girl come say yes, I go do. Una still see the video for there when they dey drink, when they dey dance, the girl say yes I'll do. So the girl come out, and then the girl come do video. Say this boy, he know am. When he know the boy, no, they come dey together. Say na JSS2 na the time when she dey JSS2. He say this boy na ritual. Hey, he say one day when she go the boy house, she come sleep there. When she sleep there, when she go house, her body come dey get as e be. She no come feel fine, no? So now she come go hospital. The boy come dey call the phone. Her phone dey off. Now he come call her, him friend. The friend come tell her say he dey hospital. He say when the boy come hospital, come dey, una know as they take dey do now, all this boy wey dey only God know where they for the see money. The girl say na rituals. I no dey there. Una still see the video. Now the boy come carry am go house. He say anytime wey he follow the boy go house, he no dey let am dey come out, even to talk to him friends. He no dey like. He go say make he stay for his house, lock the door. So one day like that now, the boy no dey, and now the girl come dey. The girl come open one cupboard, come say, this cupboard, now no say when you dey for your boyfriend house now, you dey want make you see wetin dey there. When she open am, my people, hey, now she come see something wey big pass am for there. My brothers and sisters, una tell una sister dem wey open their eye rig share back, make dem be careful. E come see her own private pint for there. See many things for inside one this thing wey dem take dey do all this wetin dem take dey do juju, wey dem take dey do ritual. You see something for there. Now the girl come video the house. Say no know say this boy na wetin e be, na be that one, say na ritual. Maybe he wan use the girl take do am. Hey, Jesus is Lord. My brothers and sisters, nothing wey person no go see, nobody wan work again. All wetin dem dey find, dey go pint, woman pint. The girl say don tey wey she dey look for that pint. He said the boy come tell her say maybe you wash am, you no know where you put am. Say she just forget like that. She no even think am say maybe something till wey come see that cupboard, say see wetin dey inside cupboard wey e lock. Now she come run. Now she run. Hey, if you ask the boy now say which work you dey do, I no go see tell you. Me I put the video, me I not to talk am too much. More na lis ten, more na help me share. God bless you all.
My name is Olamide, popular known as Williams. I've been going through depression for days now. Again, I proposed to on February, ran away with my car. My phone, she break my cupboard, took away my real document, the original document of my car, the cut of my phone. She ran away with the phone, with the car, with everything. She used my ATM to withdraw all the money I have in my account. Everybody, please help me.
Yes. He talk. Will you?
My boyfriend and the keeping here. I used to lock this place. Well, if my pint, maybe I've been looking for this pint. Yeah. So, No. Okay. See his picture. See his picture. Timothy. I will. Hey, you know how many tights Timothy lose? How many tights? What is this? Good afternoon, everybody. Please, this guy that has been posting me up and down is a ritualist. We met in Olalua when I was in JSS2 and JSS3 with the parts. And since then, it's disturbing me on Facebook. I used to block him because I don't know the reason why I hate him. Till last year December, when I went to meet him after my birthday, I went to meet him. I left his place on the 27th. He even said he wanted to give me money, that the money has not entered, I should wait. I told him I'm going to my house. When the money entered, send it to me. Don't worry. I'm not after your money. Immediately I got home, I slept. The next day I woke up in the hospital. I was sick. I don't know what happened to me. And he called. My friend picked the call up and said, "Who is this?" He said, "This is Tony Tokpe. Where's Bimbola?" Then she said she's sick. Then she said, "Where is she?" She said she's in the hospital. Then okay, that we are going to Keja Hospital. That this one is just normal hospital. We are going to Keja Hospital. Then he said he's coming down. That we should wait for him. Then he came over. He took me to the hospital. He said spend the money up and down. That I should don't worry. You won't die. I'll take care of you. Fine. After I was discharged, I wanted to go home. He said, "Don't worry, that come to my house. Come to my house. I'll take care of you." I went to his place. February 14, he proposed to me. The ring, I wanted to reject the ring, but I don't want people to talk as if this guy, after he saved his alive, he didn't collect the ring. I accept the ring. He will not allow me to go out. He beats me up every time. No one can visit me in the house. I can't go out. Okay, last month I went to my family house because we were having a party there. I went there. I came back the next day, early in the morning. He packed my things in the parlor. Then this was I was like, I'm going to open this. What is inside? I have to search everywhere. I searched everywhere. I saw the key inside his shoe on the wardrobe. When I opened it, I saw my pants there. And that flashback, but I asked this guy, April, that I'm looking for two of my tights. Then he said, maybe you wash it, you didn't pack it. You don't allow me to go out. You don't do anything. He used to scare me. Even though one of his friend's girlfriend, I told him that this girl said I should be coming to his house, to our house, so that we're able to go out. He said no, that I should go upstairs, that I shouldn't come down. I don't know what to do. Okay, when I opened, I saw my pants there. That I have to snap everything. After I snap everything, I sit down in this room. There, it came up around at 11. I don't even know, maybe not. I don't know how God just helped me that day. He said it's over. I said okay. He said next month I'm going to pay you your money. You are owing me money. What's it called? I was in camp. When I saw that stuff, and on Wednesday around 7 p.m. I was downstairs. It's not how I can escape. I was in the parlor. I was in the parlor throughout. When he came up around 11, he told me something like, and he went inside to sleep. That is when I started packing my things. I don't know what drug, man. I don't know how God allowed me to sleep. I started packing my things. I opened the door, it did not wake up. Then I said, if I don't take his phone, if he wake up, if he notices, maybe he track me or something. If he find me, he kill me. That's why I took his phone. And I took his car. I can be walking on, he just wake up and start using his car to trace me. I have to use that car to escape. There's no Uber, there's no bike around 12 a.m. in the midnight. I have to escape. I have to find a way to just leave that house. Even the gate man opened the door, he didn't ask me any question. I know there is God, that God is working. I just left.
Yes. He talk. Will you? He talk. Our Alimas is off the market, man. Off market. Off market. Show me the level. Show me. I see him. Gee. Every year you